I've got another example of how to use the TI-84 calculator to do a confidence interval. So here we have frequencies in hertz of 12 elephant calls, and we're given some data up top here. Assume that the population of possible elephant calls frequency is a normal distribution. So we're given the fact that we know they're normal. So scientist is interested in the average of the frequencies, say mu. So we're looking for mu, so that's quantitative. And n is, there are 12. So there are 12. That is less than 30. We do have normal distribution though, so we can use the t. In order to use the t on the calculator, we have data, which means we're going to enter data into list 1. We're going to do that in the same way we would in Unit 1, putting it in to find the average or mean and standard deviation and so forth. And then because we're using the t, we're gonna run stats, tests. So then stat tests and then t interval. All right, so we go to our calculator, we hit stat and enter to edit. I've already entered all the data in there. There's the 14, 16, 17, 17, and so forth. All the data is in list 1. You can pause it and go ahead and enter the data in so that you can play along. After that, we're going to do what we have down here. We're going to hit stat, go over to tests, and number 8 should be the t-interval. We're going to use that. Now, we don't have stats. We could get stats and put it in like that, but we've got the data entered, so we might as well just arrow over and hit enter for data. Well, it wants the list. They're in list 1. We don't need to change that. Frequency remains 1. The confidence level, they want a 95% confidence level, so we used 0.95. And then we calculate. So our interval, so this is a 95% confidence interval. We'll do it to 2 decimal places. Oh, we could just write the whole thing, I guess. 17.515. They didn't give us any sort of instructions, so I guess we can just give them the whole thing. And then 26.819 is our cap. So that is our 95% confidence interval. And we can use that to do some interpretations if we want. But again, the key points here, we have a normal distribution and our n is not 30, so we're allowed to use t-distribution since it's quantitative data. And again, this is a t-interval.